Hi my loves, welcome back to my page, and today I'll be teaching you how to do Nigerian groom traditional wedding beads. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so that you won't miss out any of my videos. So materials needed: you need crystal beads. Yes, so this is the crystal bead that you'll be needing. This is size 8 crystal bead, and this is shambala rope. I don't know if you can get it, but if you can't, you can also use fishing line. Make sure you are using a strong fishing line. Then this bead is called candle bead. So, and also you'll be needing scissors. So firstly, we are going to wash our bead to remove dust and also enhance the color. So let us wash our beads. So you can use any soap to wash your beads. You can use shampoo, you can use detergent, but right here I use normal liquid soap to wash this particular bead. Then after that I place it in a dry cloth to no, I rinse it first, then I place it in a dry cloth for it to be dried. So right now we are done washing our beads, and this is what our beads look like after washing and drying. So let us get started. Firstly, I cut out some fishing line. I added one candle bead and two crystal beads. So you are going to cut the fishing. You are going to cut your rope according to your desired length, and then when you are done arranging the beads inside your rope, then you are going to tie a knot. Make sure you tie it very well. So let us tie this one. This is how you are going to tie it. I'm making the first knot. Can you see how hard I am trying to pull this? Make sure you pull it very tight so that it will stay strong and also stand very firm. So this is the second knot that I'll be tying for the traditional beads. So this is the second knot. So when you are done tying, make sure you check your beads very well, and also I use lighter to burn the end. And that is the end of our Nigerian groom's traditional bead. You can do it in, let us say, 3 step or 2 step. So if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to receive more updates whenever I drop another tutorial. I'll see you guys next time in my video. Bye.